Every child dreams of a space that belongs entirely to their imagination. We've designed the Princess Perch, a DIY wooden dollhouse designed to elevate both your woodworking and their playtime. Whether you're a tech-forward maker using a laser cutter or a traditional craftsman with a scroll saw, we've designed this project for you. You can download the PDF pattern for scroll saw cutting and DXF file for laser cutting. The Princess Perch features a unique, vertical perch design that kids absolutely love. It gives them multiple levels of open access play, making it easy for little hands to reach every corner. This dollhouse is designed with wide openings so little hands can easily move furniture and dolls between floors without frustration. It's the perfect surface for stickers, paint, or even DIY wallpaper.
If you like this pattern, then hit the like button and join us to stay updated about the new content. Thanks for watching.